Greetings, friends. Zenny here, and welcome to Rest and Restore. Today is a practice that you can participate in your bed, on the couch, or on the floor. Today's practice will be a bit of breath work, a lot of rest, and then we'll go into some gentle movements just to kind of wake up the body, open up our joints, and hopefully we'll leave you feeling a little bit more nourished and rejuvenated. So let's begin, shall we? We will just come down into any sort of shavasana or laying down position. So coming to your back, you might want a little support underneath the head, and if needed, underneath the knees, anything that helps support the back here. As well, if you're feeling any kind of shoulder discomfort, you might want to place a pillow underneath the arms. So however you're comfortable. And we'll take the hands to the belly, kind of spreading the fingers wide. Give the legs a little gentle shake and just let them drop and relax wherever they fall. So this is rest and restore, and we're going to do exactly that. We begin with rest, meeting yourself where you are, and we'll restore the body, heart, and mind. So let the bones get a little heavier. Everything just kind of sinking in, being held in this soft surface. Allow your muscles to relax. And then we'll bring some awareness to the breath here. As you inhale, feel into the hands. Notice, if you can, the belly expanding. And as you exhale, the belly deflating. And then tuning into the breath with a count. On your inhalation, count to 3 or 4, just whatever feels natural, not forced, but perhaps a little bit bigger than normal breath. And with your exhale, count to 5, letting everything deflate. Continue counting, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue counting a few rounds at your own comfortable pace. 2 more rounds. And then just returning to a normal, natural breath here, allowing your body to completely rest a few more moments just in stillness. If there's any worries or stressors that the mind is kind of carrying right now, that's okay. You're welcome to set them aside in a little basket, just a little imaginary basket. And you can always pick them up after the practice. And just keep becoming aware of the body, noticing how the body feels here, how the body's being held. Noticing this rhythm of the breath. And now every time you exhale, if there's any remaining stressors or worries, allow them to be released. As you exhale, feel into that breath, just letting go. As you exhale, feel the body soften. And as you exhale, notice how the breath empties, creating more space. And now feel into that inhale. Feel into that inhale, how it just enters the belly, the ribs, the head, heart. Bringing your awareness to every inhale, feeling into breathing in that nourishing breath. Every breath nourishing the body, the heart, the mind. Feeling that spread throughout the body. You might start to feel more aliveness in the body. It's the aliveness of the cells. And now allow each inhalation to get a little bit bigger. So just 3 rounds here. You're going to inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the chest expand. And then exhale, let that breath go. And again, inhale, belly, ribs, chest, feel into that fullness just for a moment. Open the mouth, let it go. And one more time, nice full nourishing inhale. Feeling that breath into the body, the heart, the mind. Exhale, let that breath go. Now begin to wiggle the fingers and toes. Open the jaw and move the jaw a little side to side. Begin to roll the wrists and ankles. As you take your eyes from the right to the left. Eyes right to the left. Keep your eyes going from right to left and see if you can rewind the direction of your hands and feet. Still looking the eyes from right to left. One more time. And then let everything just come back to the ground here. Take another full breath. Inhale, nose. Let that go with a little sigh. And then just move the shoulders, move the legs, move the limbs. Allow the limbs to come to stillness as you gently take your head from side to side here. Mindful the neck feels okay with this. Just a gentle rotation. You might take your eyes to graze all around the room, through the wall, to the ceiling, to the other side. And then finding your way back to center. We'll go ahead and bend the knees here, taking the feet about hip width apart or a little bit wider, arms to the side, palms facing upwards. Allow the knees to start to point to the right and to the left. And this can be a really small movement. Tuning into the hips, how that feels. So we're not really moving the back or the pelvis, just inside those hip sockets. And you can go as slow or as fast as you want to here, whatever feels right for you in this moment. And then maybe we include the arms here, so the forearms. The knees, the hands, is kind of creating this gentle wave. Your eyes might follow the knees. And you might even find this rhythm with the breath and the movement. So there's no wrong way to do this. Just tuning in to your breath, your movement. And then we'll go ahead and come back to center and extend those legs out long. So legs are straight, reaching out. Inhale, reach your right arm up overhead, back behind you. And let's point the right ball of the foot away from you. Reach the right fingers away from you. So creating a long line on the right side of the body. Big inhale. Exhale, gently release. That arm can reach up to the ceiling and come all the way down to your side. Inhale, extending the left arm up and reaching back behind you as far as it feels good for you. Extend the ball of the foot forward and away from you. Inhale, lengthen from the ball of the foot all the way through that leg, that side body, through the arm, through the fingers. Inhale. Exhale, soften. Left arm reaches up to the ceiling to come all the way back down. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, reaching the right arm up, pointing the ball of the foot away from you. This time, if you want, reaching over to the side a little bit more. You might even walk your legs over just a teeny bit. So you're creating now this like crescent banana shape with the body. Big inhale. Exhale, walk yourself back to neutral. Extend the right arm up to soften all the way down. Let's try that on the left. Inhale, left arm reaching up and away. Again, maybe staying here. This might already feel fantastic. Or walking your feet just a tiny bit off to the side. Inhale, create that long crescent banana shapes through the side body, reaching through the fingers all the way down into your foot. Exhale, come back to neutral. Send the arm up to the ceiling and down to the side. Let's bend both knees again. And allow both knees to fall all the way over to one side or the other, perhaps the right. And then using your arms, coming on up to a seated position. And then once you're seated, you might be sitting on the bed crisscross. You might take your legs off the bed. That might feel better for the knees and the hips. So whatever feels better, we're just here for a little bit longer. So let's roll the shoulders up, back, and down for 5, 4, maybe close the eyes, 3, 2, and 1. Rewind the direction, draw those shoulder blades together. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic. Let's extend the arms out to the side. Spread through the fingers really wide. Open those palms. Turn the palms to face the ceiling. Inhale, reach all the way up as far as it feels good for you. Pausing here for a moment. Let's reach that right arm a little bit higher. Reach that left arm a little bit higher. One more time. Right arm reaching, left arm reaching. And how about both together? Big inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the heart. Inhale fully. Exhale, let it go. Release your arms back to the sides. Still spreading through the fingers, open the palms. Inhale again, reach those arms all the way up overhead. This time the palms can come together. Exhale, hands drawing to the heart. Inhale, nose. Exhale, let it go. One more time. Spread the fingers, open the palms out. Inhale, reach up. Once those palms touch, pull the hands down to the heart as you exhale. Inhale fully. Exhale, let it go. Let's rub the hands together. Feel into that warmth, that heat. And then just shake the hands out. Shake the arms. And let's do one last breath together here. So big breath, physiological sigh. You're going to inhale, keep those arms shaking. Yes, big inhale. Inhale a little more. And And that's it. Hopefully you feel a bit rested and restored. And I thank you for taking time to take care of you today.